So you want to use email marketing and you're not sure where to start? In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 tools I use so that you can send your first marketing email. By the end of the video, you will have everything you need to start writing and sending your email. Hey guys, my name is Steve Welsh and I've been marketing businesses for over 27 years and the last 8 years as a digital marketing consultant. This channel helps entrepreneurs and companies build and grow their businesses using online marketing. Over the last 12 years, email marketing has been a fantastic way to reach and engage with customers. I use several tools to create emails that get opened, get read, and subscribers take action. So, what do you need to start your email marketing? First off, this video assumes you have already dealt with your why, how often, and for how long. If you haven't nailed that down yet, you will find a link in the notes below explaining how to do this vital step. So the first thing to do is to choose your email marketing software platform. You can't expect to have a sustainable email marketing system without specialist software. You will spend way too much time and effort trying to get started on standard free desktop email programs such as Microsoft Outlook, Mac Mail, or even Gmail. They're not designed for email marketing and they're more of a one-to-one communication tool, and they're certainly not designed for email automation and personalized broadcasts. I've used several customer management and email marketing systems over the years, and I've looked at functionality, continued development, and of course, the cost. I'm using Aweber for all my business's email marketing, and I use it on my clients' businesses as well. To help my clients ask customers what they need help with, deliver valuable information, help customers solve a problem, send people to landing pages, generate appointments, connect with people on social media, and sell products and services. There's a monthly subscription with most platforms, and it may seem like a cost in the first instance, but I prefer to look at it as an investment in my marketing and my business. If you're looking for a free email automation solution, then you can start with MailChimp, which lets you have up to 2,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month for free. However, you'll have to expect less functionality than the paid version and the paid version of Aweber. But it's a great start if you want to just find out how email marketing works. Email softwares give me the ability to capture subscriber data, upload customer data, exhibition visitors data, send follow-up emails, segment subscribers, and create email campaigns. Also, I can automate the delivery of emails as much or as little as I choose. Now, if you're anything like me, you know what you want to achieve with your email marketing. You know what you want to write, and you may even have the creativity to pen a great email. However, and this is the big thing, my grammar stinks. I'm always at risk of being called out by the grammar police on anything I write, which is blog posts, video scripts, articles, case studies, and web pages. The list goes on, pretty much everything I write. It's a big deal for me, and it's not one of my superpowers. So that brings me to the second tool that saves my bacon every time. It's called Grammarly. It's a piece of software that checks grammar, synonyms, spelling, the whole shebang. When I use Grammarly, and I mean I use it every time I write, it's like an unnecessary weight has been lifted off my shoulders. Grammarly is everywhere. It's on my laptop, my desktop, my mobile phone. Also, I can access it on any web browser and it syncs across everywhere. It's a practical writing tool with your little helper checking everything as you type it. It's not a word processor like Microsoft Word or Mac Pages, so there are no tools to create bullet points, headlines, bold, italic, or otherwise. It's just a beautiful, clean, white space to write freely, with the bonus of everything being checked as you type. The third tool I use is Trello, and again, it's everywhere I need it. Also, like Grammarly, it syncs everything together. Trello is an organization tool, and I use the free version. I use it for blogging ideas, video ideas, marketing activities, tasks that I need to do, and I also use it for checklists. The great thing about it is when I have an idea or something inspires me, I click and type it into Trello on my phone, laptop, or computer, so it's never forgotten. So that's it. You have the email platform that helps you design and delivers the emails. You have the grammar and spell checker to make sure your writing is correct. Also, you have your email notes and subject lines captured and organized. Now you have the tools ready to start writing and sending your emails. If you're interested in checking the tools I use, I've put the links in the description below. The next video in the series will be helping you understand the importance of the subject lines, content, and calls to action in your emails. I will take you through the thought process I use to get emails opened, read, and actioned. If you want to learn the marketing strategies, tools, and the mindset I use to build and grow clients' businesses with online marketing, you might consider subscribing below. Question of the day: what tools and software platforms do you use to deliver your emails, and what success do you have with them? Until next week, I'll see you then.